Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on DoctorX. As you know, DoctorX will be listing today. As at the time of recording this video, today is the 17th of December 2024. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to sell your DoctorX token. But before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can join our WhatsApp group chat where we drop every update related to crypto and drop questions on how to do them. So firstly, go to exchange, this one right here. You click on this place right here, and then you click on this place where they showed all networks. Click on it and select multiverse X. So once you select multiverse, click on this search bar, search tab here, so and search for DRX. So this is DRX. Click on it and then come here and go select EGLD. EGLD is more stable, so that's the reason why. Or you can convert to USDC, but I would advise you convert to EGLD, which is much more easier to sell. So convert to EGLD and then you click on continue. For now, as at the time of making this video, DRX hasn't been listed yet, so the network fee will be about 0.005. I actually sent my own DRX to get.io in a video I previously made. You can check that out in the pinned comment, of course, if you want to know how to send your DRX token to get.io exchange where you can sell it off for USDT. Very easy. So you set for here, you set the amount of DRX token that you want to send. Like I said, I sent mine, so let me just enter 5,000, and then that will basically give you about 0.00008. So 0.008 EGLD. Currently there is no DRX hasn't been listed here, so this is just like an estimation that they are just doing. Then the gas fee to be showing here, gas fee, the network fee will be showed there, and that's just it. After which you click on continue and then you enter your pin. That's your Xportal pin, and that's just how to sell. That's easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one.